Hey there, guys. Chet here. Running a store becomes stressful when you have no idea how many products are left, what is selling out, or when you need to restock. So, today I will show you how to take full control of your inventory inside Shopify step by step. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to start your store with the best possible advantage, check the link we put below. You'll get the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my complete Shopify course that shows you everything from setup to launch. What is inventory? Okay, first off, let's discuss what actual inventory means. In simple terms, inventory means the products you have available to sell at any moment, including, or let's just imagine rather, that you run a clothing store and you have 10 black hoodies, 5 jeans, and 3 jackets sitting in your storage. That counts as your inventory, and Shopify helps you track these numbers in real time so that you always know what is available, what is sold, and what is reserved for open orders, and when you need to restock before items run out. When inventory is managed correctly, customers get a smooth shopping experience and you avoid surprises during order fulfillment. How to add a product in Shopify. So, before you manage inventory in your Shopify store, make sure that your store actually has products added. If you're starting from a fresh store and there are no products yet, don't worry because I'll guide you through each step before we talk about inventory management. This part is important because Shopify cannot track or manage stock until your product listings are created. To add a product, look at the left menu of your Shopify dashboard and click on the Products tab. This will open your products page where all of your existing items appear. Now, if the store is new and empty, you won't see any items yet. To create your first product, click the Add Product button at the top right corner. You will now arrive on the new product page where Shopify gives you all the fields required to build your listing. At the top of this page, you will see the title field. This is where you write the name of your item. For example, you can type short sleeve t-shirt or black cotton hoodie. This name appears on your storefront, so make it clear and easy for customers to understand. Right below it, you'll find the description section. This is where you explain the details of your product in a natural and maybe helpful way. You can talk about materials, sizing, colors, usage instructions, or benefits. For example, you might write something like soft and breathable cotton shirt made with 100% cotton, perfect for daily wear and comfortable in summer weather. Now, below this section is media. Here you upload product images or videos. You can click Upload New to add pictures from your computer, or click Select Existing to choose photos that are already inside your Shopify files. Always use clear, high quality photos because customers rely heavily on visuals when deciding what to buy. Under Media, you will see Category. This is where you choose the category that your product belongs to. For example, if you're adding home decoration items, you might choose Home and Garden, Artwork, or Sculptures. Correct category selection helps improve search results and optimizes your store better. The next section is price. Enter the selling price of your product, such as $100. If you want to show a discount, you can also fill in the compare at price. For example, you can price the item at $100 and set the compare at price at $150, which visually shows the customer that the product is on sale. You will notice additional fields such as unit price, charge tax, and cost per item. Charge tax, yes or no, means whether you want Shopify to apply tax on this product. Cost per item helps Shopify calculate your profit margin. If you purchase the t-shirt for $50 and you sell it for $100, you can enter $50 in this field. Scroll a little further and you will reach the inventory section. This is where Shopify begins to track your product stock. Now, the first option is inventory tracked, on or off. Turn this on if you want Shopify to track quantities automatically. If your store uses multiple warehouses or storage units, you will also see a list of your locations, such as New York warehouse. Enter the available stock for each location separately. For example, 20 units in New York. Below locations, you will see SKU, barcode, and sell when out of stock. SKU is a unique internal code like t-shirt and black, and that helps you organize your products behind the scenes. Barcodes can be added if you scan products for your warehouse or physical retail. Sell when out of stock lets customers still purchase items even if your stock reaches zero, which is helpful, or which is useful rather, when you offer pre-orders. Now, scrolling down, you will reach the shipping section. Turn on physical product if the item needs to be shipped, and then enter the product weight because shipping rates depend heavily on accurate weight. For example, if the item weighs 0.2 kilograms, enter that value. You can also choose a package size if you have predefined packaging in Shopify, and add country of origin and HS code if you ship internationally or need customs information. Next comes the variants section. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles, click add options like size or color. For example, you can create sizes such as small, medium, or large, or colors like red, blue, and black. Each variant will get its own stock and pricing control. At the bottom of the product page, you will find search engine listing. Here you can write an SEO friendly title and description, such as soft cotton black t shirt for men, perfect for summer wear and daily comfort. This helps your product appear in search results on platforms like Google. On the top right side, you will notice the status field where you can set the product as active, draft, or unlisted, depending on whether you want it visible on your store. Below it is the product organization section, where you can choose the product type, vendor, collections, tags, and select a product theme. Once you have filled out all details, click the Save button at the bottom right corner. Your product is now officially added to your Shopify store. Now that the product is created, we can move into the main part of this tutorial, which is managing your inventory inside of Shopify. Now, to manage that inventory, go back to the left side of your dashboard and click on the Products tab. When it expands, click the Inventory option. This will take you to your store-wide inventory dashboard where all products appear in a table along with details such as SKU, undeliverable stock, committed units, available stock, and on-hand quantities. At the top of this page, you'll notice a location selector, which allows you to view inventory for a specific warehouse or storage point, such as New York or any other location added to your store. On the left side of each product, you will see check boxes. You can select a single product or multiple products at once. Now, when you select products, Shopify will show new options at the top, including bulk edit, update quantities, create transfer, and create purchase order. This is so you can manage several items without updating each product one by one. If you click Bulk Edit, Shopify will open a spreadsheet style editor where you can adjust multiple inventory fields at the same time. This is very helpful when you need to make large updates quickly. If you click Update Quantities, you can enter new numbers or new stock numbers for selected products in one action, which makes restocking a lot faster. If you click Create Transfer, Shopify allows you to move items from one warehouse to another and track the movement properly. If you click Create Purchase Order, Shopify will let you generate a purchase order directly, which is useful when you need to restock items from suppliers. Inside the inventory table, you will find editable stock fields such as available and on hand. You can change these values instantly if you need to add or subtract quantities without opening each product page. Above the inventory table, you will find a search bar, which helps you find any product by typing its name. Next to it is the search and filter option, which lets you filter products by SKU, availability, location, or other criteria, which makes it easier to manage large lists. Next to it, you will see Edit Columns. This tool allows you to show or hide different columns such as SKU, on hand, available, or committed, so that only you see the information that matters to you. Besides, this is the sort option where you can sort products by name, quantity, availability, or SKU. On the top right section of this page, you will also see Export and Import. Export lets you download your entire inventory in CSV format, which is useful for backups or offline work. And then import allows you to upload a CSV file to update your inventory in bulk, which is extremely helpful if you have hundreds of products to manage. As you scroll down, Shopify will continue loading more products rows so that you can browse through a large inventory without switching pages. If you click on any product inside the inventory list, it will open the product page. Scroll down to inventory. That's the section where you will look and you will see values for available stock, committed units, and on-hand quantities for every location. In the locations row, you will see your warehouses, such as College Chowk Mardan, along with all stock values for unavailable, committed, available, and on-hand units. Below the inventory table, you will see a link called View Adjustment History. This shows every stock change made to this product so that you can track updates, corrections, and adjustments. You will also see fields like SKU, barcode, and sell when out of stock. SKU helps you assign that unique identifier for tracking. Barcode is useful for scanning products in a warehouse or a physical location. Sell when out of stock can be turned on if you want to allow pre-orders. If your product is physical, continue to the shipping section. Here you can enter package dimensions, product weight, country of origin, and HS code. These details help Shopify calculate shipping rates correctly and ensure smooth order fulfillment. You now understand every part of the inventory system inside of Shopify, from adding products the right way to tracking quantities, adjusting stock, organizing locations, and keeping your store updated in real time. When you follow these steps, your store runs smoother, your orders stay accurate, and you avoid the stress of missing stock or overselling. All right, before you leave, grab that link below. It gives you the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month plan, and the full access to my complete Shopify course so that you can set up your store with confidence. As always, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.